So guys, nabigay na namin yung rice sa kanila. Ngayon i-input ni auntie yung token. Ito guys, itong mahabang number. Nakita nyo, ayun yung meter ni auntie and nag-a-alarm na. Umiiyak na yung meter ni auntie. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sa mga bago lang po dyan, ako nga po ulit si Maria, an OFW who's working here in Gambia, West Africa. So guys, if you are curious where I'm working here in the Gambia, I'm working here in the solar power plant. So guys, dito po pala sa The Gambia, magtatatlong taon na po akong nandito. And tapos na po kami sa construction ng solar power plant. Nasa maintenance period na po kami. And for the moment, ako po yung in charge sa planta. Bali po kung curious kayo kung gaano yung capacity ng planta, 23 megawatts po siya with 8 megawatts battery storage. Bali po, it's a big challenge for us guys to provide more solar power plants sa The Gambia, sa bansa, dahil isa po sa kinakaharap na problema ng bansa ay yung unstable electricity. So kung hindi nyo po alam guys, ang The Gambia, they are importing. Kumukuha po sila ng supply, bumibili po sila ng electricity sa neighboring country para po masupplyan yung bansa nila, kasi po ang state ng kanilang electricity talagang poor pa. Hindi pa kayang masupplyan ng country alone yung buong bansa. So guys, sa kabila ng kinakarap nilang problem sa electricity guys, aside from monthly billing, kasi po diba sa atin guys, ang pagbabayad ng kuryente monthly. Dito guys, aside from monthly billing, nakaisip po sila ng alternative na cash power recharge. Ano po yung ibig sabihin nun? Prepaid electricity guys. Bali, para ka lang nagpapaload, para ka lang bumibili ng load guys. And then kapag ka nawalan ka ng, kapag naubos na yung load na binili mo, hindi ka na makakatawag, hindi ka na makaka-text. Parang sa prepaid electricity din siya guys. So bali, loloadan mo yung meter mo, and then kapag naubos na yun, na-consume mo na lahat, mawawalan ka na ng power. Mapuputulan ka ng electricity. Ganun siya guys. So guys, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba nagre-recharge ng cash power. And at the same time, gaano ba yung tinatagal ng recharge na yon. So, atcha, let's go guys! Guys, pauwi na pala ako nito. Magla-lunch muna ako and then itutuloy na natin ulit yung video.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I'm back with Auntie Binta. Greet them, Auntie.
Kamusta guys? Hello guys. Yes.
Guys, so Auntie Binta and I will show you how they are recharging their cash power here. And also guys, we are going to buy rice for the kids. We will give them rice. So, okay, let's go guys. Guys, binasa ko yung panyo ko Sobrang init guys talaga. And also, we are using umbrella. I'm telling them that I made my handkerchief wet. Yes. Before putting on my head, and then we are also using umbrella because really it's too hot.
It's hot.
Guys, nasa taxi na pala kami ni Auntie Punta muna kami ng market, bili kami ng rice, and then punta na kami sa lugar nila. Guys, we are buying rice. Auntie, hi.
Yes. You are buying rice, huh?
Yeah.
So you are taking picture also? You are taking picture?
No, she's taking only this one. You are the one who comes.
No.
No one call you.
No.
Guys, we already bought rice. Our main problem is to carry the rice up to that side again. Huh? Guys, binaba muna pala namin yung bigas. Babalikan na lang namin. So, we are on the way now to the place where we can recharge the cash power. I'm telling them that we just left the rice somewhere else. Then later we will get.
Yeah.
Because it's heavy na, guys.
It's heavy, huh?
So guys, ayan pala yung place where Auntie Binta will buy cash power. Auntie, show in the video. Where is your meter number?
Full 3691.
So that is the meter number, guys. And then he will give you receipt like this. Okay. So we buy 100 cash power. So guys, tapos na pala kami. We are done recharging. So we will go to Binta's place na. We will give the rice for the kids. Auntie, how much is the minimum for the cash power?
Cash power, it started 60. If you buy, you can have buy $1,000, 500. Anything you want.
So guys, the minimum is $60, sis. And then, it's up to you na how much you want to buy. Like that. We cannot carry the rice, guys. We hire him to carry our rice. Guys, he doesn't know how much we need to pay for him. Huh, Auntie?
Yes. But if we go there, we can ask her.
Yeah.
Tell us.
If he reach, then he can tell us. Because he said he doesn't know there and he doesn't know the price also. So we are nearby, guys. So guys, nabigay na namin yung rice sa kanila. Ngayon i-input ni Auntie yung token. Ito oh guys, itong mahabang number. Nakita nyo, ayun yung meter ni Auntie and nag-a-alarm na. Umiiyak na yung meter ni Auntie. Ibig sabihin wala nang laman. So input ni Auntie ngayon. So i-input pala ni Oli, guys. Hindi kayang i-input ni Auntie.
Before I will fall down, hi.
Before she will fall down.
Anyway, if I fall down, I have to get people.
So, how many days this 100 cash power is serving you, Auntie?
1 week.
1 week?
Yes, but you know that me, I'm not having pizza. I'm not having TV. But if I thought I'm having pizza and TV more, it maybe 3 days or 4 days like.
So guys, you see if Auntie Binta has appliances here, maybe 3 to 4 days only. In your apartment, only fan and light, no?
Yes, only fan and light.
So guys, only electricity. They can recharge like prepaid. But your water, it's monthly payment, right?
Yes, water every month.
Their water every month. But for electricity, guys, this one they can do. Cash power recharge. Auntie, this one is better than monthly bill, right?
Yes, it's better.
Because
I know that I cannot pay money. That's why I'm buying every day or 1 week, 2 week, I buy.
guys, nandito tayo sa apartment ni Auntie Binta. So, ganun pala sila, no, guys, mag-recharge ng cash power nila dito. Guys, ang kagandahan lang sa cash power recharge na to, hindi mo na kailangang intindihin yung monthly bill. Kung saan mo hanapin, saan ka didilhin siya, saan ka hahanap ng pera pambayad. Ito guys, kaya ginawa nilang alternative to para daw ma-utilize yung power consumption ng mga tao. So, kasi guys, 'di ba, alam naman natin na Yun nga, tagirap din kasi dito. Kung monthly bill lang palagi, baka hindi afford ng mga tao na magbayad. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, yun nga, kapag may pera ka, mag-recharge ka. Pag wala kang pera, hindi ka makakapag-recharge. Diba naranasan naman natin yan sa Pilipinas noon na napakahirap sa kuryente. Guys, naranasan ko rin yan nung bata ako. Nag-aaral ako, gamit ko gasera. Pagising mo ng umaga, talagang makutim yung sa ilong mo guys. Papasalamat ka lang talaga sa Panginoon kasi di ba nababago naman yung buhay. Hindi naman palaging kandila lang yung gamit mo, gasera lang. Magkakakuryente ka rin, di ba ganon? So guys, that's all for today. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye-bye!